Hello and welcome back to all returning faculty, staff, and students. I want to thank you for hanging in there for the past year. And welcome to all of you who are new to BCIT. Thank you for choosing a program within our school. I'm excited to kick off the new school year with you from the High Performance Building Lab here on our Burnaby campus. First, I want to thank the faculty, support staff, and service units for your extraordinary efforts in the past year to ensure the school provided the best quality education possible under the circumstances. It was an unusual year, but together we helped each other get through it. I want to give a shout out to some of our accomplishments this past year. I will start with our construction trade programs, specifically joinery and carpentry, who were the very first programs at BCIT and some of the first in the province to have students return to campus in June of 2020. A bold step forward that helped demonstrate to others what was possible. Also, a shout out to the BCIT South Wetland Restoration project that was constructed on campus by faculty and students from Ecological Restoration, Fish and Wildlife and Recreation, Forestry and Natural Area Management, and supported by the Rivers Institute. I encourage you to walk up Gishon Creek this fall and take in the new pathway and wetlands. It's a great way to relax and de-stress. The past year also brought new programs to our school. We've developed 2 new associate certificates with industry, the business of sawmilling and the fundamentals of water and wastewater operations. And we have 2 new microcredentials, the Introductory Studies in Mass Timber Construction and the Essentials of Natural Resource and Environmental Protection. In the area of research, we have a new Climatic Chamber in our Building Science Department. And we also look forward to announcing a new industry-sponsored research chair in an exciting area involving trades and technology. Keep an eye out for that announcement. A significant goal this year is to work with the Indigenous Initiatives Department at BCIT and begin development on a reconciliation action plan for the School of Construction and the Environment. I hope that when the opportunity arises, you will join in and help us. You may have already heard about the new Mass Timber Student Housing Project. This project will provide access to hundreds of new, affordable, on-campus homes for students. Our school is monitoring the project and, where possible, creating opportunities to have your department get exposed to the design and construction of the building. The next phase of the Burnaby Campus Development Plan is a new BCIT Trades and Technology Complex, an adaptive, world-leading trades education environment. As we move forward through the final funding processes, I'm hopeful we will get approval on the complex this year. Combining state-of-the-art workshops, simulation labs, makerspace, and reconfigured work yards, the new complex will empower students and faculty to collaborate across disciplines and push the boundaries of knowledge in concert with industry. Above all, please manage your workload and continue to access BCIT wellness resources. We're here to support you for whatever you need on your learning and teaching journeys. The Respect, Diversity, and Inclusion team provides assistance to individuals with concerns of bullying, harassment, or discrimination, and strives to help people resolve conflicts. Please feel free to reach out to them on events, training opportunities, or if you require support. In closing, I can't greet everyone personally today, but I do look forward to seeing you on campus and ultimately congratulating our students as you walk across the convocation stage. I wish you all a great school year.